okay? Being someone that is pleasant, we already talked about that. If you're gripey and grumpy and always looking at the negative and everything and always talking about how, you know, this was not right and this was bad and yada, 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 you're not gonna be very pleasant. But if you talk about fun stuff, you know, happy stuff, laughter, you know, that's gonna be pleasant. So you gotta be on time. You gotta be there every day. Help everyone you can. When not busy, be sure to get busy. So when you're not busy, be sure to get busy. And smile and have a great attitude, okay? So I'm Brian McClure. I'm the Ford Technical Recruiting Liaison for the Oklahoma Ford dealers, and I help people get jobs as technicians in Ford dealerships. If you or you know somebody who wants a job or would like to talk to me about this and find out some more information, give me a call, 918-928-7433, or email me at fordoktptc@gmail.com. This is a good job. This is a good career to be in, pays well, it's got you good job satisfaction, job security. You can do this. I did it. You can do it. You can make a good living at it. And this is no joke. It's a pretty good profession. Have a great day.